All right, week 20. What do we got here? All right, so to-do list on Tuesday, Wednesday. What do we got going on? So you're gonna watch this little short video. It's from Star Wars, and we're gonna make note of all the different lasers, whether it's a laser from a gun of some kind or a lightsaber. Make note of it, and then we're gonna quickly take this poll: which lightsaber is most powerful, and we're gonna talk about how we can make that distinction. And then that'll take us, five minutes or so in class. And then Bill Nye here, you're going to download the waves document. Looks like this. Give it 2 seconds here while it loads. You have let's see here. You have 12, 15 different blanks or lines here. These are all in the video. If you miss one or two, don't worry about it. But then you're going to re-upload it back on Tuesday, okay, or Wednesday, depending on which day you have class. And then Thursday, we're going to download the Unit 11 Entry 1 notes. What is a wave? We'll take the notes together, and then there's a homework walkthrough. Make sure you re-upload it to the assignment, okay, by the end of the week. Big thing to note here is that, yes, because of distance learning, we're doing units a little out of order. So we're going to start with Unit 11, which is waves, and then hope that we can be back in school to do ones that are maybe more hands-on as that comes available. So that's what we got going on this week. We're on our first unit of semester 2, which is Unit 11, Waves. All right, guys, love you, appreciate you. Have a great week.